How to take subscription of Amazon Prime. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can take subscription of Amazon Prime. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Amazon's application. Once you do so, here at the bottom of your screen you'll find various options, right? You know, simply tap on You option or your profile option at the bottom. There you want to head into Your Account option here. So under your account, now what you want to do is you want to scroll down. Under account settings, if you scroll down below, you should be able to see the option here that says memberships and subscriptions. So you want to tap on memberships and subscriptions. Under it, if you don't have any subscription, you want to simply tap on Take Me to My option there, and under it now you want to select the Prime Video. You can see warm medical membership for Prime members as well, so you can see Prime Video. So you want to simply tap on it, and here now under your account you can set your payment method and go ahead and make the payment for your Amazon Prime Video. So this way you can subscribe or take subscription of Amazon Prime Video. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.